Welcome to Golden Laser Showroom and the Service Center. We are a company strong in laser application. Our CO2 and fiber laser have widely used on sheet metal, metal tubes, and low metal material applications. We supply our customer on-site training, spare part backup, sample testing, and on-site support. We are here to give better service and experience for our clients. Let's go to our showroom. Here we have 1,000 square meter for the office and the showroom space. Let's enter our showroom. Share the space with our local learners partner, MetQuick. Here we have a small kitchen. And we can go to the next office. This is our service engineer office and sales office. Storage room and IT rooms. Meeting room for the customers. Catalog. So welcome our partner and the customer to meet us here. Let's go to the showroom. We have stairs to go to the showroom. At the showroom, we have two floors, down floor and the upper storage place. In the showroom, we have around 800 square meter and the upper storage room with 400 square meter. So first machine here you see is our tube laser. With a fully closed design, it realizes Europe best safety, and also it could manually open, allow you manually loading the tubes by hand. At the back side, we have a auto bundle loader. You can realize a bundle of tube automatically loading and cutting. Here we have a conveyor table, so it's easier for you to pick up the cutting part. Come to this side. This is our sheet metal laser cutter with fully closed design. Exchange table, power range from 3 kilowatts to 20 kilowatts. You can cut up to 50 millimeter mild steel. Here we have a robot laser station with a far lock rod and two axis positioner, so you can work with 3D part cutting and welding. Here we have a compact design, 15110. So for small footprint, the table can pull out for easy put in and take the material. This place we have a assembly area. Here is dirty area. We have all the working tools. And this is our, will be ready for our clean room for repairing the fiber laser and the cutting head. So we have all the devices for repairing the fiber laser, the cutter for the fiber cable, the welder for the fiber cable cutting. So it will be ready in 2 weeks time, and we can give a cutting head and the laser source repairment for our clients. So let's go to our storage place. We have a small test area to make some testing and for our spare parts and some R&D for the new applications. This area is for storage of all the spare parts needed for the machine. Laser source. We have all the power range of laser source from 3 kilowatts to 12 kilowatts. So in case customer need emergency replacement, we can send from our storage to customer factory to make the in-time replacement. On these racks, we have also the key components like the cutting head, the nozzle, lens, consumer parts. All the parts you need, we can deliver it from our service center to you. And on this side of the racks, we also have the servo motor, the drivers, all the parts of the machine. This is our service center and showroom for now. More detailed work will be done in the coming days. Welcome to here to play and test with the machine. Talk with our guys. We are here for you.